Today is Sunday, December 2nd, 2018, and today we're going to do an Auro water test with this sample of rain that we've collected over the past couple weeks here in Northern California. We use distilled water to drink, and we add Auro, a little bit of Auro to it. And we also have a Grand water filter, so we recommend that to purify your water. And aside from that, Auro has a great ability to reveal what is in some contaminated water samples. We've done this with tap water, and we've done it with rainwater. And both have shown, the evidence shows that both are heavily contaminated. And we have those samples up there that we'll share. But for now, I wanted to do a brief intro video and just kind of talk about what might be in that water. So we've been in a huge drought here in Northern California, and we received a lot of rain over the past 2 weeks, and the rain occurred right after the Paradise Fire, quote unquote wildfire, the deadliest fire in California history. And they were chemtrailing heavily the week before the fire, during the fire, and after. So we should see nanoparticulate Morgellon / smart dust fibers. Smart dust, a little different than Morgellon fibers, but you know, all these things are in our chemtrails and thus our air, and we can prove that. But we use Auro to basically allow the deposition of those substances to reveal themselves. And so what we're going to do is just put about, let's see here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that was about 15 drops. We'll put a little bit more just to be safe here. So we have about 20 drops in there, okay? And we're gonna give this a few days. The more contaminated the water is, typically the longer it takes for the contaminants to reveal themselves. And which makes these samples over here really interesting, because they've just been sitting there accumulating, and actually these fibers are growing bigger. And we will show you those fibers next time when we look at this sample. So if you need to test your water and you want to see if there's barium, strontium, aluminum, titanium, manganese, iron, and all these other metals that are in geoengineering proposals, and not actually in the spraying they're doing, you can actually test them at a lab in Pittsburgh, California called McCampbell Analytical. And if you do the hashtag rainwater test, you'll see all the results of our tests. So if someone says chemtrailing is just a conspiracy theory, you can show them that hashtag and say actually it's conspiracy reality. So we'll see what happens. We're going to give this a few days and we'll check back and see what becomes of this sample, and we'll show you the other samples as well. Peace and love. Have a good rest of your day.